Hi everyone, we're here at Momento's Italian restaurant located in Stroudsburg, and I'm joined with my favorite chef, Chef Nicola.
Yeah, welcome another episode with Chef Nicola and Cani. But today I want to give you an idea also to local restaurants, to local chefs, to bartenders, how they can elevate it a little bit. Today I'm going to give you a tip of how to create a mousse bouche in a culinary industry. It means little petite bites before you start a meal, before you start a tasting. Take this water, put them over there.
Okay, the whole thing.
Whole thing. Don't be shy. So now this we're gonna drink it after because good water is not necessarily to waste it. But I need the bottle.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. So we're gonna cut this butter.
Okay.
I'm gonna show you how to make something very beautiful. Obviously, doesn't cost that much. It's just a regular. So I give you a skewer.
Okay.
Now clean me this. We're gonna clean this on this side, and then you're gonna put this
Straight through
this way.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
And go ahead.
All right. We'll do.
And you do that. In meanwhile, as you see over here, I got this is the head pipes for the pastry bags.
Okay.
So I put a plastic wrap in the bottom.
Okay.
I put a salt because salt in the pan is kind of hold it.
Okay.
It holds basically. It's fine. That's good. So it holds over here, so you keep it straight. This is for the chefs. Set this on the side. You will firm and good to go. Now
Okay.
to complete this, now we're gonna do. We have a coconut milk here.
Okay.
I want you to do this.
Alrighty.
Put over here 4 tablespoons of sugar. And good to go. Let's go to the fire now.
Am I stirring right
See?
now?
You can stir it slowly.
Slowly? Oh, okay.
Yeah. And meanwhile, I'm gonna put this.
Oh, in there?
I don't gonna say how much as recipe. It belongs to me.
Okay.
Who wants to learn?
All
You
right.
can contact Chef Nicola, and I will teach the people.
Okay.
So we're gonna bring it to the simmer slowly. So I think this is ready right now.
Okay.
Let's go. Let's close it. Let's bring them over there.
Okay.
Absolutely. Pour them over here.
Pour it in here
Yes.
first?
Pour them. Go ahead. It makes it easy.
Yes. Oh, that has a stopper. Oh, that's nice.
It makes it easy. Why?
Yeah.
Because you can control it better.
Right.
All right, Connie? And you put them right there.
Look at that. Oh, it smells so good too.
Right there.
Okay.
And you let them there. The result of that is this. That the bartender can use it for old fashioned, can use it for Manhattan, can use it for a coconut drink. Orange is completely beautiful and raw and the way you want it, and then you have a coconut layer on that. So now I can give you another thing of that, which is very good. I can give a bartender a beautiful.
Ooh.
I would say a beautiful idea on this.
Oh, look at that.
So you don't deal with the orange peel on the side,
Right.
on that. Just enough to give that shyness on that, you know what I mean?
Right.
Just enough. You leave it a little bit, and you're gonna see this, because this is so soft.
It's like a crunch. Ooh.
So grab it.
Okay. Oh my God. Oh my, this is really good.
You see?
Wow.
Well, now you have something that it's in a matter of a half hour. You prepare this. You can have it. This can stay for 1 week easily. Over here we have a filo dough. We hold it a little bit This is a spray, butter spray.
Okay.
So don't stick. This is an excellent mousse bouche that we're gonna learn today.
Okay.
And the cool about this, you can prepare many of them. And a filo dough, because of a high fat content that it have, it can, when it's baked, it can stay for forever. 375
For what?
Fahrenheit on a convection oven. I put a 375.
Okay.
We have a foam that takes a little bit time to prepare, but is milk and gorgonzola cheese
Oh, yum.
and soy lecithin.
Okay.
And this is the outcome of that. Foam,
Oh,
nice and light
Wow, that's
on
really
this.
good.
So we're gonna fill up that cylinder. When you create a mousse bouche,
Okay.
fried basil. This is a beautiful pickled shallots that we prepare here.
Okay.
Truffle vinaigrette.
Ooh.
And the best with that goes a beluga caviar. We complement it with a truffle.
Oh, of course.
Of course. I forgot that. Of course, he said. I forgot that.
Didn't take long. You were right. It's quick.
This is ready.
Perfectly lightly
And-
brown. Delicate. Nice.
Very delicate, and you take this. And now the mousse bouche has a beautiful, it's nice and warm, and you fill it up with beautiful foam on top.
Yes.
And you give them something inside that is not heavy, but has that foam, that delicatesse, that light. So now if you want to go a little bit more, I would say further, next to that, we have this. This have a Parmesan, cream, tomato things, equal beautiful truffle dressing with that. So I will cut it, touch over there.
Right.
And I will have this, put them right there. And I will have this flip and put them
No way.
right there.
Look at that.
So it will be a beautiful, as a mousse bouche, very light. So
Wow.
I give an idea to a, again, to a chef. I mean, I'm willing to absolutely teach anybody. Why not?
Well, if you want some new ideas for your
Why not?
restaurant,
A chef wants to learn about, petite mousse bouches, absolutely.
people want more information, what should we tell them?
Welcome to Momentos with Chef Nicola and Cani. Until to the next one, we're gonna have some cool other stuff.